Welcome to an exploration of the incredible world of AI for good. Imagine a realm where technology isn't just about convenience or entertainment, but about making meaningful, tangible differences in our world. This is the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's a space where machine learning algorithms are used to solve complex problems, improve lives, and even save them. From predicting natural disasters to diagnosing diseases early, AI is here to help. From saving lives to protecting our planet, AI is making a difference. Let's start with the Photokite Sigma, an autonomous drone designed for first responders. This advanced, unmanned aerial system is a game-changer in critical situations. Fully autonomous and actively tethered, it provides much-needed aerial overviews during fire responses, search and rescue missions, and even traffic jams, all while operating safely in emergencies, even in harsh weather conditions. Imagine being a firefighter, battling an aggressive blaze. Through the smoke and heat, visibility is almost zero. But overhead, Photokite Sigma hovers, transmitting clear, real-time images of the scene below. This aerial perspective is invaluable, helping assess the situation, plan effective strategies, and ultimately save lives. It's not just about immediate response. Photokite Sigma is also contributing to a larger goal, Sustainable Development Goal 3, which focuses on good health and well-being. By providing real-time situational awareness, it aids emergency responders in their crucial work, enhancing their ability to protect people's health and well-being. Now, let's move on to Colossus, a multi-purpose firefighting robot developed by Shark Robotics. This is not your typical robot. Colossus is designed to withstand extreme conditions. It's equipped with ultra-strong batteries, allowing it to operate for up to 12 hours. Plus, it has over 11 interchangeable mission options and can even climb stairs. Think about the high-risk areas where human firefighters face serious dangers. That's where Colossus comes in. This robust robot enhances firefighting capabilities, reducing risks to human firefighters. Like Photokite Sigma, Colossus also aligns with Sustainable Development Goal 3, promoting safety and well-being. But it's not just about the technology itself. It's about the impact these AI technologies are having on environmental conservation and emergency response. From helping firefighters make informed decisions during a blaze to reducing risks to human lives in high-risk situations, these AI tools are truly transforming the way we respond to emergencies. In a world where we're facing increasing environmental challenges, it's comforting to know that technology is stepping up to help. AI technologies like Photokite Sigma and Colossus are not just tools. They are our allies, enhancing our capabilities and promoting safety and well-being. The future of environmental conservation is here, and it's powered by AI. And remember, this is just the beginning. There's so much more that AI has to offer. AI's impact is also significant in disaster management. We're living in a time when disasters, both natural and man-made, are becoming increasingly frequent and severe. But with adversity comes the opportunity for innovation. And AI is leading the way in transforming disaster response. AI is revolutionizing the way we predict, respond to, and recover from disasters. It's empowering us with early warning systems that can predict severe weather events, earthquakes, and even disease outbreaks with increasing accuracy. These systems use complex algorithms and vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, providing us with valuable time to prepare and mitigate the impacts of these events. But AI's role doesn't stop at prediction. It's also transforming the way resources are allocated during disasters. AI can analyze real-time data from affected areas, identifying the most severely impacted regions and determining where help is needed most. This helps to ensure that resources are deployed effectively and that aid reaches those who need it most as quickly as possible. AI is also playing a crucial role in decision-making during crises. In the chaos of a disaster, making informed decisions can be challenging. But AI can process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, providing decision-makers with valuable insights and helping them to make informed, data-driven decisions. This can improve the effectiveness of disaster response efforts and potentially save lives. AI's capabilities extend to managing disease outbreaks as well. It's being used in epidemiological surveillance, helping to track and predict the spread of diseases. AI can analyze various factors, including population movement, climate conditions, and healthcare infrastructure, to predict where and how quickly a disease might spread. This can help health authorities to respond more effectively, containing outbreaks and preventing them from becoming pandemics. But AI's role in disaster management isn't just about logistics and data analysis. It's also about people. AI is being used to provide humanitarian aid and mental health support during crises. After a disaster, AI chatbots can provide psychological first aid, helping people to cope with stress and trauma. AI can also connect people with resources and services, helping them to navigate the often complex process of recovery. In a world where disasters are an unfortunate reality, AI is providing us with the tools to respond more effectively and compassionately. It's helping us to save lives, reduce suffering, and build resilience. It's showing us that even in the midst of disaster, there's hope. AI is crucial for humanitarian aid and mental health support during crises. As we continue to explore the incredible potential of AI, let's remember that it's not just about technology. It's about using that technology to make a positive impact, to help people, and to create a better world. AI has made a remarkable impact on healthcare. As we step into the future, we find ourselves in an era where artificial intelligence is redefining the way we approach health and wellness. One of the most significant contributions of AI in healthcare is in the realm of early disease detection. Machine learning algorithms are being trained to sift through mountains of data, identifying patterns and anomalies that could signify the early stages of a disease. Take, for instance, the case of Google's DeepMind Health project. It's an AI program that's been trained to detect over 50 sight-threatening eye diseases with the accuracy of world-leading expert doctors. This kind of early detection could potentially save millions of people from preventable blindness each year. But AI's influence doesn't stop at detection. It's also revolutionizing the way we approach treatment. Personalized medicine is no longer a thing of the future. It's happening right now, thanks to AI. IBM's Watson for Oncology is a prime example. By analyzing a patient's medical history and the latest medical research, Watson provides doctors with personalized treatment recommendations. This means patients receive treatment plans tailored to their unique circumstances, potentially improving their chances of recovery and reducing side effects. But what about the resources? Healthcare systems around the world are often stretched to their limits, with limited resources to cater to an ever-growing population. This is where AI steps in again, with efficient resource allocation. AI systems can predict patient influx, optimize hospital bed allocation, and even assist in scheduling surgeries, ensuring the most effective use of resources. A case in point is the Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center in Boston. They've developed an AI system that predicts the admission rates for the next week with an astonishing 90% accuracy. This kind of foresight allows hospitals to prepare in advance, ensuring they have the resources to provide the best possible care. Moreover, AI is also playing a crucial role in the ongoing battle against the COVID-19 pandemic. AI systems are aiding in everything from predicting the spread of the virus to accelerating vaccine development. Blue Dot, a Canadian AI platform, was among the first to alert the global community about the potential outbreak, even before the World Health Organization. Such early alerts have been crucial in initiating timely responses and potentially saving countless lives. The influence of AI on health outcomes is truly transformative. From early disease detection to personalized treatment recommendations, from efficient resource allocation to pandemic response, AI is changing the face of healthcare. As we move forward, we can only expect this influence to grow, bringing us closer to a world where everyone has access to the best possible healthcare. The future of healthcare is here, and it's powered by AI. Remember, AI's influence on health outcomes is truly transformative. AI's potential to create a better world is immense. We've seen this through examining its role in environmental conservation, disaster response, and healthcare improvements. Autonomous drones like Photokite Sigma and firefighting robots like Colossus are revolutionizing emergency response and contributing to the goal of good health and well-being. AI is also playing a pivotal role in disaster management, enhancing early warning systems, resource allocation, and decision-making. It's even aiding in epidemiological surveillance and providing crucial mental health support during crises. In the realm of healthcare, AI is making strides in early disease detection and personalized treatment recommendations, leading to more efficient resource allocation and improved health outcomes. The transformations we've discussed today are just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore in the world of AI for good. So let's continue to educate ourselves and others about this powerful technology. Harness AI's potential to create a better world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of AI.